Hello people. Today we will look about DOCP. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. So let's not waste our time for it. Let's go. DOCP, Direct Overclock Profile, is from ACES for AMD motherboards and came as the motherboard makers don't want to pay royalties to Intel to implement XMP on AMD motherboards. It effectively uses the DRAM XMP profile to set up data rates and comparative timings on the AMD motherboards for a variety of data rates. To enable DOCP in BIOS setup, first power on the system and press delete key to enter BIOS. Advanced mode. If enter the EZ mode first, please press F7 key to enter. Then select AI tweaker page as below. Click AI overclock tuner item and set to DOCP. Now press F10 key and click OK. The system will auto reboot. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.